Before we dive in and learn everything we can about quadcopters, let's find out what the purpose of this course actually is. The course is aimed at complete beginners with no prior knowledge of flying a hobby-grade quadcopter. The course does, however, assume that you know how to use a soldering iron and possess basic electronics knowledge. This series of lectures are not simply about putting together a quadcopter, rather they are here for you to understand the workings and the theory behind it all. It's far easier to fix something when you understand what can break. Besides the theory, I will also be leading you through a step-by-step video log that shows a quadcopter build from scratch to flight. This course will serve as a reference point for you to build your own quadcopter. It is up to you if you want to start your build after completing the course or build alongside it. I will try my very best to simplify any technical terms and explain what they mean. There's a lot of technical knowledge involved, but it's up to you how far you want to go in terms of understanding the theory. For this course, I've kept everything as beginner's level as possible.